Lut alayhi salam made a dua to be protected from his people, and he says, Rabbi najjini wa ahli mimma ya'malun. Oh Allah, protect me and my family, because his family were the only ones who followed from what they're doing, the immorality that they're involved in. Look at Shu'aib alayhi salatu wassalam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, he said, على الله توكلنا ربنا افتح بيننا وبين قومنا بالحق وأنت خير الفاتحين. Before I translate that, Shu'aib alayhi salam was sent to a nation who used to cheat people in business, shortchange the people. They wanted to make money by hook or crook. They just needed money, money, money. They worshipped the money. Everything was about the money. Everything was about merchandise. How they got it was besides the point. They just wanted it, hook or crook. They shortchanged, they cheated, they stole, they deceived, they did anything they could. And Allah warned them and sent them a prophet to remind them, don't become greedy. Greed to the level that makes you do things that are wrong. So here he makes a dua at a certain point. He says, Oh Allah, we lay our trust in you. Ala Allahi tawakkalna. We lay our trust in you. Now it's interesting to lay your trust in Allah when we're talking about business, because if everyone is doing business dealing that is very clandestine, that is actually clandestine to the degree that when you try to correct them, they might sideline you and you may not earn, you may not make money, but the provider is Allah. So you've got to keep on doing what you believe is right, and Allah will provide you. He will give you the provision. He will definitely provide for you. So he says, Oh Allah, I lay my trust in you. I've got to correct these people, I'm going to say it. I've got to actually do whatever I have to. It's in your hands to provide. Oh Allah, I lay my full trust in you. And I want you to judge between us. Iftah, when we say iftah, it means to open. When we're opening the reality, we're actually judging between the parties. So, iftah baynana wa bayna qawmina bil haqqi wa anta khayrul fatihin. Oh Allah, judge between us and our people with justice, for you are the best judge. You are the best who's going to judge. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave that to him. So Allah sent the punishment to the people of Shu'aib, to the people of Lut, to the people of Nuh, to the people of the previous nations, when their prophets who were sent to them prayed against them. Until the prophet did not pray against them, there was no punishment that came to them, because the prophet was instructed to deliver the message from Allah. They came through, they provided the message, they gave the message, they tried very hard, they carried on and on. When the persecution began, that is when the clock started ticking. What this means is, the people were not okay, or the people did not sit back and say, I don't want to listen to Nuh, I don't want to listen to Lut, I don't want to listen to Shu'aib, may Allah's peace and blessings be upon all of them.